All right, guys, so I'm gonna change the oil on this Honda 60 horse 4-stroke that I have. You can see over here, that's the covering. Went ahead and took it off. On this particular model, got the oil that'll go in right here. Got our dipstick, got the oil filter. And then over here, oil comes out. And then we're also gonna change the lower unit oil, which is right here, the oil level, and then right underneath here is where we'll drain the oil. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Want to get a towel, make sure that you have it up underneath here, or get ready, because there's usually some oil that will leak out of this. Want to clean that up. Old oil filter, new oil filter. Want to make sure that this gasket does come off with that where it'll stick in there. So make sure the gasket comes off, which it did. Got the new one. New one's on there good. Go and take the oil dipstick, put that back in there. All right, most of this is already stopped draining. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna clean up all the excess that dripped. Now we start loading it up with oil. This one calls for 10W30. All right, this is where the oil plug is. All right, time to change this lower gear case. So first thing we do, go over here. It says oil level. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this if I can. All right, so apologize guys. Took a little bit of a break. My parents stopped by, my nephew, all that stuff. So we got the main oil done. Now we're doing the lower oil. I could not get these bolts to come loose. So this one right here, and then this one right here. So what I ended up doing was taking the blowtorch. I took the blowtorch and hit both of those bolts, and probably wasn't on them bolts, but 3 to 4 seconds, if that, and both of them came loose. So now we can get it going back. So gonna get this lowered down. And that's how you tell it's full. Squirts right out you. And there we have it. That's how you do the upper and the lower oil change. I'm gonna run it, probably let it run for about 10-15 minutes, and then go put it back in storage, and should be ready for the next trip we take out in it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned a little bit. See you on the next one.